This is a problem where you just need to change the units. You need to multiply by factors that give you the units that you need. So this is given E kilometers per liter when driving speed is S kilometers per hour. Now in the first one, we want to find liters of fuel in 1 hour. So I'm trying to find liters per hour. Well, if you look, liters is down here in the denominator, and liters is not a factor over here. But we need liters to be in the numerator. So just take the reciprocal of this. 1 over E liters per kilometer. Okay? Now I've got liters in the numerator where it needs to be. But I need to have hours in the bottom. And I've got this factor to multiply by. So I multiplied it by S kilometers per hour. And look how the kilometers cancel. And you've got 1 over E times S, which is S over E. And you're left with liters per hour. And that's what you're trying to find. So that's the first column answer. In the second one, we're finding liters of fuel in 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers. So we just need to come up with liters. So start with your 1 over E, liters per kilometer. And we want to figure out in 60 kilometers. So just multiply by 60 kilometers. And those cancel. And you're left with 60 over E liters.